Hello students, in this video we will see the types of AI. First type is narrow AI. Narrow AI is task-specific AI. It can perform one job incredibly well, but that's all it can do. Tasks like translator, voice assistant, face detection. Another application of narrow AI is self-driving cars that navigate roads. Narrow AI surrounds us today, but it doesn't think like humans. It's limited to what it's programmed to do. Another type of AI is general AI. General AI is like a human brain. It can learn, think, and do many different tasks just like we can. For instance, it could adapt to new tasks, understand emotions. This type of AI doesn't exist yet. Scientists are still trying to create it. Now, last one is super AI. Super AI would surpass human intelligence. It would think faster, process more information, and come up with solutions to problems we can't solve today. Some people think it could be helpful, while others worry it might be dangerous if it becomes too powerful. Luckily, it's still just a concept.